Hello traders, it's Friday, end of the week and also end of the month. So it's time for summary of the month. Every day we're doing summary of the day, but because it's end of the month, I would like to show you what we did this month. Basically, we started on 12th of January. That was the day when I placed my first trade. So I want to show you what we did, how much money did I make on my account. I will show you only my account because Pablo was trading on his account and Pavel also on the other account. So I can only show you my account. I have results. I have profits of $15,000 on this account from the 12th of January. And next month, I'm going to increase my risk a little bit more. So we're gonna try to make at least 3 to 5% next month on my capital. So around 30 to $50,000. But guys, first we're gonna start from today's session because we had few different plans on today's session. That was planned on Euro USD, like you can see, and Euro USD in the morning. We can check what happened if any of those plans we could basically use. I didn't open the trade. The plan was simple to break through and to go down, but I couldn't find the place to enter the position because I was waiting for retest. I mean, I was waiting also for the breakout through this kind of channel, and I was trying to go down, but after the retest, there was no retest, so I wasn't able to enter the position. That's okay. That was the first plan, basically three different plans, and none of them were used. Next, we got this one here. This was gold. We were waiting for the price to come back here. The gold dropped down, so I removed that trade. We can see if that imbalance worked. So let's have a look on gold. And that was here somewhere. One second, let me just check where it was. Right here, the first impulse, the strong one, and a little bit higher. Okay, so the first one here. No, we didn't get there. That was this area. So the price dropped down. That's why we removed that order. Today I placed two orders and I got two break evens. That's okay. You know, at least we are not losing money. That's okay. Next plan, that was also on gold to enter the position. I think it's the same, right? It's the same. Next one, this one here, plan on crude oil. We were using fixed range volume profile, special gap, and usually stop loss is very tight around like 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, and after 1 to 1 we secured the trade on break even. So basically there was a reaction 1 to 1, but I had to close the trade. I moved stop loss to break even and I got stopped out but on break even, so I didn't lose any money. I think the $50 or $100, something like that, so it doesn't really matter. Next, this one here, we were using order flow, and this trade was looking good. We were trying to get 4 to 1. Usually, this kind of setups, I'm using risk to reward 1 to 2, and the price dropped, and we should have full take profit, but because we had target from all in ASAP, we were trying to get maximum from this trade, so 4 to 1. And unfortunately, after 1 to 2, the price came back and we got break even. So two break evens today. That's okay, guys. That was our trading day. Two trades on break even, but that is totally fine. Let me show you the trading journal. You can see the total profit this month is $14,514 on this account. You can have a look at accounts. We're gonna go to the statistics. One second, statistics and results. Daily loss, it's 446 pips. Those two trades on break even, because this is big account, so break even sometimes is $100, $200. So that was break even 446. So nothing to worry about. Okay, at this moment, gold is performing the best. We had the most profits on gold. Crude oil also is looking pretty good because gold we made 6,700, crude oil $5,403, Euro USD $3,407, GBP 1,747, and German index $1,599, which is pretty good, I can say. Okay, let's go to strategy analysis and let's check which strategy is working the best at this moment. We can see only in ASAP we got 100% win rate. Price action cycle is 33% win rate so far. Basic buy 50%. We got order flow showing 60% win rate. Imbalance 44.4% win rate, but this imbalance setup is usually 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So guys, we don't need to have high win rates to make very nice profits. Also smart money 50% of win rate. API Asia, unfortunately, we had one trade and we got stopped out. So API Asia at this moment is working not too well for me. Basic sell, we got 100% win rate. So you can see how many trades we place. ASAP 3 trades, basic buy 2 trades, imbalance 9 trades. And then we got API Asia, price action cycles, money flow, smart money, and basic sell. I want to go deeper into this analyze. Let's go here. I want to go strategy analysis. We're gonna see everything right here. So you can see price action cycle total win rate 33. Something is wrong with the statistics right here. Okay, it doesn't matter. We're gonna stick to those ones. I need to improve this trading journal, guys, because we got this trading journal, but we need to fix some things like this one here. Daily loss. We didn't have that loss, so we need to fix this trading journal, but it's showing mostly everything good. So I'm gonna improve this trading journal, and from next month it will work pretty good. Over here we can see trade history, all history since 12th of January. So we got profit on Euro USD 3,900. The biggest loss was on USD CHF 6,000. We got 5,000 loss on crude oil. We got 13,000, which was the biggest profit on crude oil. Also, nice profits right here. Few stop losses. Then we had nice profits again. And today, like you can see, we had basically 3 positions on break even. So that was break even, break even, break even. Okay, that trade was yesterday. Sorry, golds on break even. So today we had 2 break evens. So it's looking pretty good, guys. Also, we made a lot of trading plans. You can see right here. These are our trading plans from live trading sessions. So we can check every single one. We got all of them right here in one place. So we can review that. We can check what we did right, what we did wrong. We got notes over here, some details, all details also, trading plans. So the trading journal, I think one of the most important things, guys, in trading. So if you are a trader and you want to be a professional trader, you must have one. You must have trading journals. It doesn't have to be like this one. You can do it in different programs or even in Word or Excel. It doesn't matter. But keep your journal because you will get some informations about your trades. You can find out what you did wrong, what you did right. So it's pretty important to review your trades after. And right here, we can see also which strategy is working the best. We can check which strategy is performing the best, which strategy maybe we should leave. And also we can check the currency pairs or assets which are working the best for us. So guys, right here you can see $14,514 in half month because we started on 12th of January. So I think it's pretty good result. Next month we're gonna try to get 30 or $50,000. Uh, this week we didn't have any losing day, unless I'm gonna count this one because 2 break events, but there was small loss. but this week was pretty good. Last week, only one losing day, and the previous week was also very good. So we didn't have too many losing days, maybe two, and the rest days were in profit in total, of course, because we had some stop losses. So guys, if you want to see some more, if you want to see how we trade live, you can subscribe the channel, like, and you won't miss anything. We got few live trading sessions on YouTube where you can join and see how we trade, how we make a plan, and how we make profits. Okay, rest of the sessions are, unfortunately, they are internal for our community. But if you want to be a part of our community, just send us message, and we will tell you how you can join us and how you can trade with us. So for now, that's it, guys. It was pretty good month. Next month, hopefully it's gonna be much better. We are getting in full for next month. So thank you guys for being with me on live trading sessions. I wish you all the best. I wish you a great weekend, and next week, next month, and we're gonna perform even better than this month. So thank you guys. Take care and good luck.